Hey everyone, welcome back to Smart 4 Homes. Is your Daewoo TV frozen, stuck on the logo, not responding, or acting weird? Don't worry, in today's video, I'll show you how to reset your Daewoo TV both with a remote and without a remote step by step. So make sure to watch till the end because one of these methods will definitely help you fix your TV. Method 1: Soft Reset Daewoo TV, with remote. Turn off your Daewoo TV. Unplug the TV from the power outlet. Wait for about 60 seconds. Press and hold the power button on the TV for 15 seconds. Plug the TV back in. Turn the TV on. This soft reset clears temporary bugs and refreshes the system without deleting your data. Method 2: Factory Reset with remote. Press the menu or home button on the remote. Go to Settings. Select System or Device Preferences. Choose Reset or Factory Reset. Enter the PIN if asked. Default PIN is usually 0000 1234. Confirm the reset. Your Daewoo TV will now restart and return to its original factory settings. Method 3: Reset Daewoo TV without remote, using TV buttons. Turn off the TV and unplug it. Locate the physical buttons on the TV, usually on the side, bottom, or back panel. Press and hold the power button or volume down plus power button together. While holding the buttons, plug the TV back into power. Keep holding for 10 to 20 seconds. On some Daewoo TV models, this opens the recovery or reset mode automatically. Use the volume buttons to navigate. Select Factory Reset, Wipe Data, Restore Default Settings. Press the power button to confirm. Conclusion. And that's how you can reset your Daewoo TV with or without a remote. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more smart TV tips and fixes. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.